Now, just go above. Print table is already available in the same package, right? So print table one. Print table, okay, one. Fine. Now, instead of using synchronized block, we'll use synchronized method to achieve what? Data consistency. Now, this is what synchronized method, right? But it is giving error, right? Okay. Table view, from where it came. Okay. Table print, but one we have used na table one. So wherever we have created table, that time we'll have to put one. Otherwise, it will use previous one. This dot table one, right? Table one. Error gone. Will come down. Table one, and here table one. Clear? Now it will also, using this synchronized method also will achieve the same thing. Synchronized block as well as synchronized method. Now see, thread 1 is running. Thread 1 is running. Thread 1 is running. Thread 1 is running. Guys, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what was the problem
Yes,
and
sir.
how we got the solution. Problem was what? When multiple thread is trying to execute the same run method at the same time, during that data inconsistency was happening. Data inconsistency means what? At the same time, each thread were printing accessing this method, table print method call, and every thread were uh, printing or executing this one, right? So we were getting wrong output, right? Wrong output in the sense at every level. Okay, let me remove it. And before, I haven't made it synchronized now. Just see the output. Since the multiple thread is running, thread 1 2 3 4, thread 1 2 3 4 is running, and in the output we can see thread 2 20 into 1, thread 3 thread 1 thread 4 like this, and output we can see it is not printing the table in proper format. Why? Because multiple threads are executing at the same time and they are printing their own table. So to avoid this kind of data inconsistency, we are using a very good concept or mechanism. That mechanism is what? Synchronization concept we are using. That synchronization concept is what will put a kind of lock. That lock name is object lock. That object lock name is what? Also called as monitor on a method, such that once a thread will enter inside this method, it will put a kind of lock and it will go inside. Means it is locked if it is locked means after making it lock, that the thread who locked this method na already went inside, means they are not available outside. So key is not available and other thread is coming and trying to access it. But whenever other thread is coming and trying to access it, those are founding it as a what? Locked. Means what? They are waiting outside, they are getting into blocked state. Why? They are trying to access it, but it is already locked. Then how they will enter inside? No, right? So why they are not able to enter inside? Because already locked is done. This is locked by one thread and those thread went inside, right? Yes. Whenever that thread will complete this execution, then after it will go out of this method. Whenever that thread will go out of this method, na synchronized method. In that case, that thread is very clever and very kind kind person. Kind person means what? That thread is very kind. Whenever they are going outside, whenever they are going inside, they are making a lock such that other can't come inside and they can't interfere in my work, right? So that is very clever, but that thread is also very kind. Whenever they are leaving this method or this resources, at that point that thread is thinking, I have already completed my execution. Why to keep it in lock mode? It will keep it in lock mode, other can't access it. So since I am going outside, let me unlock it. They will so the thread who will go outside after executing their task, they will release the lock. Once that lock it will get unlocked, thread who are waiting outside, they will get the chance notification and they will go inside. So if multiple thread is there, so at every thread access, everyone will put a lock, such that until and unless one will complete, other can't come. And if other can't come means what? We'll get the output correct and see the output, right? Getting correct output. Only one thread one went inside. Now see, only thread one is executing. Now thread four got access. Four is accessing. Suppose one thread went inside and they are waiting. They went on sleep for 20,000 milliseconds. This much time we have that thread went on to the sleep. Guys, tell me, until so once it will go to the sleep mode for a long period of time. At this moment, CPU is also waiting. See, there is no any output. CPU is waiting outside thread, other thread is waiting, and no one is getting executed, and CPU is on idle mode, right? So this is indefinitely waiting. It means this is waiting, unnecessary waiting of the thread is also called as what? Starvation. So a starvation problem is there. We have to learn into the operating system. A starvation problem solution is there. We are achieving this starvation using that aging concept, aging mechanism. Aging mechanism is nothing but what? To really to remove that unnecessary weight of the thread, we are increasing the priority of the thread such that they will come in front and they will start executing. So this is what synchronization, synchronized method, and synchronized block we have already practiced it, right? So this is all about synchronization. Why we are using synchronization? To achieve data consistency. Earlier we had data inconsistency. Why? Because multiple threads are accessing at the same time and they are printing the data in zigzag mode. Clear? So this is what synchronization, and one problem we have solved, that printer spooler problem, printer problem, print table problem. Clear? Now, so the synchronization concept is clear for all of you, and there is other problem. So that problem I will be showing you. Will send you that problem with all of you. That problem is very good problem. I will be showing. I will be giving you all practical theory as well as practical code also. You can do practice at your end. Now, create concept we have learned how to create thread, how many ways we can create the thread, as well as single thread, multiple thread, how to put a thread into the sleep mode we know, and how to write it inside the try catch to prevent exception handling against the exception. Yes, yes. As well as we have seen the thread dot get name, as well as we have seen how to set priority on that thread, right? Priority, minimum priority is one, normal priority is 5, and high priority is 10. High priority means what? We all are, I am giving you training and you are listening, but at the same moment, our CEO sir, Suni sir will come into this meet and they will ask, Chandan, just you wait for 1 minute. I have to address all these candidates. So at that moment, what I will do, I will keep myself quiet, right? Why? Because Sunil sir is having high priority than me and you also, right? So this is the meaning of priority. High priority means all thread are running, but the thread who are having high priority, thread scheduler will send that thread into the CPU to get executed first because you are having high priority. So this is thread priority. Clear? Thread priority we have learned. Now this one, data inconsistent, when multiple thread, how to run multiple threads, and if multiple threads are running, then in that case how to restrict data inconsistency using this synchronized either method or synchronized block we have seen so far. Clear or not? And if you remember this this keyword we are using into the synchronized block, so this means what? This is a keyword which is referring to the current instance variable, right? The thread who are executing it, those thread it is referring means those thread, for those thread only this synchronized block is keeping it in block mode. Not block mode, it is putting lock or monitor. That object, making object lock, that object lock is called as what? Monitor. So that one we have seen so far. Now moving further, talking about thread life cycle. What do we mean that life cycle? As being as a human being, we are also having life cycle, right? Getting born. After born, we are getting adult. After adult, we are getting in the old stage, and at the end of the old stage, we are what? Terminated. So this is our life cycle, right? From beginning to the end. As a movie we are watching, right? From beginning to the end, we are watching movie, right? Beginning means a start of the movie, in the mid of the movie, and at the end, movie is getting finished, right? So that is the life cycle. In three multi-threading also we are having the threads life cycle, because thread we are creating, thread is getting executed, and thread is getting terminated. Acquire, AQUIRE, acquires. So thread life cycle we are talking about. So yes, thread is also having life cycle. Uh, thread life cycle. So this is what thread. Okay, let me stop